So basically, this one I was talking about when I used to be,
Yeah.
what?
Can I just have a quick chat with you before I make that video?
Yeah.
One second. I'm absolutely happy for you to do the videos, but don't mention Southgate School actually in particular.
Yeah.
Because then it starts getting into dodgy territory. You can say a person's first name, but not last.
Okay.
And that way you're not incriminating yourself.
Okay.
No, it's fine.
No, though. No, no problem. Shut the door so that they can't hear me when I'm making this video. So you know, I do love my parents, but they can be quite annoying sometimes, and I got to, yeah. So I don't think they're annoying, but you know, I haven't argued lately with them. Anyways, let's move to something else. So basically, I was in my bed and I opened up the covers. I got out of bed and I put skinny trousers on and Southgate jacket, and I put my shoes on. I went downstairs, and there was a wrestling match on downstairs, which was really cool. I watched Hannibal, which is really cool, and yeah. Now, subject of going downstairs and watching some TV was probably really good, I think, and you know, I want to lose a little bit more weight as well, get like slim, yeah. So I think I'm on the right track. I think of losing weight. Yeah. Anyways, me when going downstairs, there wasn't really much to say, I don't think, but what do I say now? So basically, when I was in town, I saw a boy that I fancied, and my heart was beating, and like uh, I fancied him, and he had like black curly hair on top. I hope I see another boy that I fancy as well one day. Yeah. Also, when I was out with my peers, I just want to talk about this. So basically, when I was out with my peers, Safwan was was um was crying. He was upset because I said that it was boring, but I said I'm sorry, Safwan. I'm sorry for hurting your feelings. And then when I was at where was I at? I don't know, to be honest. Nah, it's gone out of my head completely. I think, and yeah, that's a shame. I was gonna talk about something really interesting, but it's gone out of my head now. So I really don't know what to say. Oh yeah, and I also dreamed about having sex with Safwan, and that might be a little bit. I'm telling the truth, and that might be a little bit disgusting, but that's what happened. Because I think he loves me, and yeah, I love him too, and yeah. And see you later, guys. Bye.